Alright YouTube, we got a huge box here today, and it is not a beater box, but I'm hoping that it's going to become a huge staple of this channel if it's profitable and if it's legit. So stay tuned, we're going to get right into this.
I got dealers and associates, call that my DNA. All these diamonds, all this gold and shit, call that PB&J.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back with a new kind of video. This one should be a really good one. I've been super hyped to try to test this box out and see if it's actually going to live up to its name, the Hypebeast box. So these boxes have been making their rounds around YouTube recently with all the big Supreme guys and some sneakerhead guys that have been getting these in and kind of showcasing what it's all about. And honestly, those boxes are pretty cool. If you guys watch Blazendary or you guys watch Easy Busta, they got a couple in already. But those boxes are very unattainable, and I feel I'm guessing that they were tailored for the channel, so I'm not too sure. I mean, it was all scribbled up on the box. Mine is actually nice and clean. So yeah, definitely not there, and it's definitely not $2,000, but I wanted to take this opportunity to go out and see if this box is actually legit. You guys see me all the time opening up the beater boxes. Those are mystery sneakers, but we never got into mystery Hypebeast clothing like Supreme and Bape and all of that kind of stuff. So after watching those box openings, I thought they were pretty cool. Obviously not going to spend $2,000 right off the bat, but I got the middle tier box, which I think was 650 bucks, and it's supposed to have either a combination of Supreme or Bape and also a pair of kicks. So that's kind of dope. 2,000, not quite there yet. Maybe if this box ends up being really dope, maybe check it out down the line and see it from a consumer point of view, not really a big time YouTuber kind of view. Anyway, so let's kind of get more into what this box is about. So like I said, this box is from Laced Up. Laced Up is a shop up in New York, and they actually, I think, have 3 shops now, 2 in New York and I think 1 on the West Coast, not exactly sure where. But yeah, they're not sponsoring this video or anything like that. I literally just bought a box on there and then, yeah, kind of asked some questions about it because I wanted to know a little bit more about the consumer point of view, where it's us trying to make money off of these boxes or trying to get steals off of these boxes. I'm really hoping that it comes through and it's actually a really good idea because, again, like the beater boxes that can be very, very profitable, I'm hoping that if you dabble in clothing and things like that, it could definitely lead to that same kind of gains. So let's get right into it. Here's the box. Definitely smaller than a beater box. It can actually hold it. A little bit of a mess up right there, I guess, from shipping. But yeah, pretty excited for this. Let's check it out. Really quick before we do open it though, as always, if you guys are not subbed to the channel, I would definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can join the Untied Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the family. Moment of truth. I am really hoping that this box is dope so you guys can go and check it out for yourself. So let's just get right into this and we'll figure it out from here. First things first, packaging is good. Always throw in extra packing whenever you're sending anything. So I guess they package them in their own laced up bags. You can see right here, laced up, buy, sell, trade, lacedup.com. Pretty cool. You get a little tote bag and stuff, which is pretty unique. This is sick. Okay, already off the bat, I'm super stoked because look at this. That's pretty cool, man. These are Supreme stickers. There's 10 Supreme box logo stickers, so very cool. Nice little plus. I didn't expect that they're gonna send everything with Supreme. So first thing out, it looks like everything is wrapped up really cool too, which is another good bonus. Like I said, again, all of these little things add up, man. It shows integrity of the company. Look how much time they put into this. So this is a Lace Up Albany. You guys can see me get this wrapping open right here. Our first piece. What do we got here? All right. So we got the explicit. I'm not going to show the entire word right here. But this actually was from the Supreme 2017, I think, this past spring-summer collection. So that's kind of cool. It's in this brown and in a size large. You get to pick your size for all the shirts and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next one out, again, wrapped up nice and neat. Yo, what? Okay, so I had to move the box out of the way for this one because this one is sick. This is one of the best Supreme pieces I've seen in a really long time, and I actually was considering copying just for my personal collection. So to get it in a box is absolutely ridiculous. So this is a Sade Supreme tee in the white. If you guys haven't seen this piece before, it is actually a really hype piece. Super, super sick collab with Sade. You guys can see right here the signature over here to Supreme, so that's pretty cool. Size large, man, and if you guys don't know, resale value on this is high. This is a $200 something shirt most of the time, so very good. So far I'm pretty hyped over it, man, and we got a lot more in here. Let's check it out. I'm hoping we can keep this train rolling. Take out one of these like accessory or smaller looking things. So obviously not a shirt in this one. Cool, man. It's like Christmas, like each individually wrapped. Like that's awesome. All right, okay. So let me check out what we got here. This is the Supreme Camping Light. So it's one of those like keychain things, and you guys can put it onto your keys, like I said, and you spin it and it turns into a light. So that's kind of cool. Not sure what the value is on this, but I'm guessing it's like 70 or 80 bucks. I'm hoping that I got a counter going over here with like the median market prices for this as well, because again, this is coming from a consumer standpoint. You guys want to see how much money you can make off of these things, or just how much of value you can get by buying in bulk from Laced Up. So hopefully you guys can keep track of that over here. So going back, we got this one right here, another accessory, I'm guessing. So I did not know that they made these sky bounce balls. That's kind of weird. It says Supreme on the back, but I'm not really certain about this thing, like if there's any resale value at all. Like literally it's just a ball. But again, anything that says Supreme supposedly is like hype, so Supreme bouncy ball. Okay, that might be the least hype so far, but let's just keep it rolling and see what else we got. This is the last piece in the first bag. What do we got here? Oh, I don't know what this is. What is this? All right, so it's a Supreme bag of some kind. I call it a Seal Line dry sack. I'm not sure what year this came out and whatnot. So I guess it's just like a sack that can hold a bunch of stuff in here. It keeps it dry, waterproof kind of setup. So yeah, these things on StockX are currently going for about like 90 bucks, it says. That's a pretty good deal. I think it's kind of cool. That looks like it's it for the first bag. We did actually get 2 shirts that didn't come in a bag. So these are, I'm guessing, extras. They're just Laced Up personal shirts. So you can see right here, Laced Up, their logo right there. And then on the back, huge Laced Up logo. Definitely gonna rep this. This is pretty cool. So the last piece, I bought the one with shoes. So this is the shoe box right here, inside of another Laced Up bag. This one is a size 11. I let them know my size. Whoa, what? Okay, we're in business. So this is a Jordan 4, which, as you guys know, I used to be really into 4s. One of the premium Jordan 4s on. I never had this in my collection before. I might actually keep this one. Like, I'm kind of pretty stoked on it, not gonna lie. Opening this up, it looks like it has all of the pieces in here as well. So it's in the dust bag already. Okay, so these are dead stock. No way. Look at that. These are the dead stock Jordan 4, like, I think these are called like pony hairs is one of the nicknames. I'm pretty sure this is called the pony hair Jordan 4. You guys can see right here, there's like a very furry texture right there and over here on the side. And yeah, like this is a dead stock shoe, man. It has all of the OG stuff in here, the bag, the card, hang tag still attached. So these things typically go for, like, in dead stock condition, about 350 bucks, which is ridiculous. So this and the Shot AT in itself is like almost the price of the box, which means that everything else would be pure profit. Okay, so now how do I feel exactly about this box? Again, this is not a custom made box. This is not tailored for YouTube. This is actually the products that you're getting in line with what you'll be getting every single time. So we ended up getting 2 shirts and then 3 like Supreme accessories. So overall, like the value there, you guys can see over here, solid. If it is Supreme, you guys can sell on StockX, but you also know you can sell on Grailed, you can sell on eBay, you can also sell in person. And looking through it value-wise, I know that the Supreme is like easy to move in that sense because there is good value here. All of this stuff is in dead stock condition, is new, not used, so you could sell it on StockX really easy and there's not going to be any problems there. Additionally, the pair of shoes, automatically, that's great value, 350 bucks, instant sell, dead stock condition, and that's awesome. Like, if it's around this area, like, I can see that being very profitable over time because you made half your money back on the box by just selling the shoes by itself. So that in itself is really cool. It's definitely like a beater box, except with new condition stuff, so that makes it even easier to sell, easier to move, easier to make profit. What do I think of the box? Do I think it's legit? Do I think it's worth it? I think it's 100% legit, and I think it's 100% worth it. I can't see any flaws in it. It's a very nice company, man. Never dealt with them before, first time experience, and I love it. I freaking love it. Again, this is not sponsored. They did not pay for this box for free. I bought this with my own money. I bought this like very scared because I'm sure a lot of you guys are skeptical about this kind of stuff. You only see Blazendary, you only see Yeezy Busted with the $2,000 boxes. You're not really sure what to expect otherwise. So I hope this video helps you guys that were on the fence about buying, and I hope you guys do pick up a couple boxes. Oh yeah, and by the way, just to let you guys know, because this company is so dope, because they're so accommodating and stuff, and because they just seem like very genuinely good people, Laced Up actually hooked it up with a discount code for the Untitled Hana, which is super, super sick. So it doesn't necessarily need to be used for mystery boxes. It can be used for anything that's over $100 on the website. You just got to put in untied 15 into the discount code, $15 off any purchase over $100. So if you guys are on the fence about mystery boxes, I hope this definitely bridges the gap and pushes you on to buy one, because like me, I hope you guys can get excited. Like, I don't think I've been this excited, or you guys can see this much excitement in me since we started like the beater boxes like about a year ago, where I didn't know what to expect. So yeah, I don't know, this brings it fresh, man. I really like it. So thank you again to Laced Up for hooking up the untied Ohana. Be sure to put in untied 15 on your guys' order, get it that way. Until next time though, thank you guys for watching. Untied Hawaii here. Stay humble, stay safe, take care guys. I'll see you next time. Aloha. Shoots.